Managing household chores like babysitting, cooking, or cleaning can feel daunting. A house help management app can connect the user with reliable service providers with a few taps. Let's check out how to build one. The app should have service categories, real time booking facility, user reviews, secure payments, and background verified professionals to ensure that it is safety compliant and trustworthy. Use Swift for iOS and Kotlin for Android. For cross platform, use Flutter or React Native. Backend could be Firebase or AWS for real time data synchronization. AI algorithms could suggest optimal professionals matching location, ratings, and availability for smoother and expeditious booking. Establish per service or monthly subscription plans, providing additional benefits, such as discounted rates and priority bookings for loyal customers. For onboarding purposes, verifying identity, background, and in app emergency support would require serious reliability in assuring the user's safety. Testing through betas, UI, UX tweaks, and publishing to app stores. Outreach via social media, local partners, and influencers within relevant industries could amplify reach. A house help management app could make life a whole lot easier. Would you like to use such an application? Let us have this discussion in the comments already. Would you like to add any loyalty rewards or customer support features?